Traders, today is 3rd of December 2019. We are now live the trading crude oil market WTI NYMEX, and today this is CLF 0 January 2020 contract futures. So at this moment we did receive the first signal to buy at 56.04, and also the second signal also appears somewhere at this lowest point. So this is where we enter the market, most likely at the breakout level, but it's not a breakout level. So the second one is here, but a bit risky, so I just wait the first signal appeared during US session. This is from my live day trading crude oil market setup. Normally we try to remain in the market for a short period of time with a profit around 200 to 400 US dollar daily. So this is my live signal. So I did send out signal to short sell, but didn't fill because the market already moved to the upper side at the beginning of US session. And here is my second signal to buy stop at 56.04. Exit at 56.19, and stop loss is 55.80. So at this moment we might see that the market might go slightly on the pullback. As you can see before the beginning of US session, and then slightly for this so-called minor pullback, maybe then further up. That's what I'm expecting at this moment. There's still waiting for another signal to be appear any moment soon, or maybe perhaps I will have a better entry few ticks below than 56.04. So let's wait. Okay guys, we did we not yet entered the market, but the market moved to the our side at this moment, nearing the 56.04. So let's take a look on the volume. There's a high volume waiting at 55.95 just now, and then missings, and there is also high volume at 56.10. It's quite maybe a swing traders over here. The rest haven't been seen, and so let's wait. So our entry point is at 56.04. Price keep remaining around that area, so this is my buy stop limit order. Okay, we just get the second signal, which is to short sell at 55.67 and exit at 55.49. So this is based also from my live signal, as well as this second signal. I did mention the same. So this is my second signal. The first signal is still valid, and this is the second one for short sell, just in case the market are moving to the south, and this is for the non price movement. So at this moment both is not yet triggered. Market still tangling around but nearing the upper side of the market. We have to wait another 20 minutes, I guess, to see whether this is a good indication for the market to go whether the bullish or another continuation to the downside. Okay guys, it seems like the market don't want to go to the north, so our second signal is nearing to the current price. So let's wait, any moment the market will be triggered. It's not yet, we're still waiting. Let's take a look on the volume. If there is a spike, yes, we can see there's a spike at 55 70 155. It's quite high, 188. So further down, if there is any other high Q, 5560, 5550, this is typical. Our QS 5549. So let's wait. Hopefully the market penetrate to the downside. in the fastest, quick and fastest way. So in case the second signal got triggered, then we have to cancel the order and use the second signal. The first order is still not yet filled, which is at 56.04. Still queuing at this moment, although the market might show a full reversal. At first I thought the market going for a sideways move, then further on, but now it seems like just a retracement from the long bearish movement since London session. So this is where we queue our position, 55.67. Any moment we might go to the market. Okay, still not fill. I think we in the market. This internet connection problem. Okay, we officially in the market at 55.67. So the second order already been filled. So I send order fill to my live broadcast signal channel. And let's go back to the chart. Okay, looks good. Profit now is around. So profit at this moment is around 140. We just entered the market. So hopefully this one is a quick one. Let's hope this can be below 2 minutes. So the total ticks is around based from my live signal broadcast 56.67, then 249 is around 18 ticks. Was a good one in case the price got triggered. So this one we are on the positive around 260 in profit. So another few more ticks to be triggered. So this is a live broadcast. So I will announce my technique tonight. Already finished. Any moment tonight I will contact you guys with the Telegram channel, email, or from my YouTube channel. So feel free to click for any link I provide. Okay, we hit. So we exit the market with a good profit of with a good profit of 380. We already in the market and exit at 380 US dollar in profit. I think this one was a quick one. So let's take a look on the time we enter into the market and also time we exit the market. Is it available? Let's wait. I think a few minutes. This is let's take a look. Last 15 minutes. We already in the market. It was a good one. So let's use a budget to see better. Okay, this is where we enter the market and exit very fast. Okay, so I also had to send in my Telegram channel. Hit TP. Good trade today. Also fast, I believe is below 2 minutes during my live broadcast. And let's take a look if I managed to capture the time from this platform. This one also, yeah, already hit. This is okay. So how to check the time? I believe it's around 2 minutes or 3 minutes time, because this is 5-minute chart, so we are halfway in the market. I think 3 minutes around 3 minutes or less. I'm not sure how to check. Normally there will be two timestamp here, 1 and 3, and one exit at TP. But after all, we are profiting around 380 for today day trade during US session. This is my day trade scalping technique. So feel free to click the link. Later I will publish my technique tonight. So see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, comment, or ask me anything. There's also email in the description. Feel free to click any link in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you again tomorrow. End of trade for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, there's a question. Short based on second signal.